Hello everyone, you are watching triple.com and let's have a look over an update. Viewers embrace Fireflies ParthaurJugnu as ZEE5 must watch the web series for the whole family. The leading streaming platform is delighted to announce the phenomenal success of its highly anticipated web series Fireflies ParthaurJugnu. Since its premiere on 5th May 2023, this captivating series has captivated audience with its clean content and family-friendly storytelling, garnering the widespread acclaim and establishing itself as a must-watch series for viewers for all ages. The series is directed by the national award-winning Hemant Gaba with AnimeshVerma as the showrunner, produced by Amrit Walia. It is one-of-a-kind web series that marries live action and animation and through tales from the Indian mythological gives live lesson to the misunderstood teens in an entertaining manner. Fireflies ParthaurJugnu follows the enchanting journey of Parth, a dejected teenager who finds a friend in Jugnu, a mysterious boy living in the forest. After Jugnu's reality is revealed to Parth, the duo embark on a mission to protect a mythological tree.